Did you know that a simple money hack can change your financial future? It's all about understanding the power of small, consistent savings. Imagine saving just a few dollars a day. Over time, that small amount can grow into significant wealth. By setting aside even $5 daily, you could save over $1,800 a year. Think about what you could do with that money. The secret is to automate your savings. Set up a direct transfer from your checking account to a savings account. This way, you pay yourself first before you spend on anything else. And don't forget about the power of compound interest. The earlier you start saving, the more your money will grow. It's a simple yet effective way to build wealth over time. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start today and watch your savings flourish. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, subscribe to our channel for more money hacks and financial advice.